Next command is rotate command. From here you can select rotate command. Shortcut key for rotate command is RO. Type here RO. A command prompt. Press enter. Select the object. I select this object. Again press enter. Now specify its base point. I select this point. Press F8. Turn off the ortho mode. Whenever we apply any angle, then ortho mode should be turn off. This is ortho mode. Press F8 to turn off the ortho mode. Now applies angle here. I enter here 45 degree. Press enter. This line is rotated at 45 degree. Again select rotate command. Select object. I select this line. Press enter. Specify base point. I select this point. Now here are two options, copy and reference. I select copy. The line which we select remaining same, but a new line will be copied with same base point. Let's enter here angle. I enter here 30 degree. Press enter. From here to here this angle is 30 degree. You can also customize the angle by selecting rotate command in reference feature. I select rotate command. We know this angle is 30 degree. I select this line. Press enter. Select base point. This point. Now here it is asking about copy and reference. I select reference. Specify the reference angle. From here to here this is 30 degree angle. So I enter here 30 degree reference angle. Press enter. Now specify new angle. I enter here 60 degree. Press enter. Angle between these lines is 60 degree. By selecting reference feature in your rotate command, you can customize the angle of rotation